Things sure have changed since the old days of wrenching on vehicles in the driveway. Modern-day vehicles, hybrids, and EVs contain more than 10 million lines of code and require a keen understanding of technology to diagnose and repair. ASE certified technicians are in high demand, and the earnings of an ASE certified tech can be as much as 20% more than a non-certified technician. The launchpad to a high-tech career begins at ase.com/careers. Routine vehicle maintenance by an ASE certified technician gives you the peace of mind that your vehicle is being serviced by a verified professional. ASE certified technicians verify their technical knowledge through a combination of industry-leading testing and work experience, and are required to maintain their certifications every 5 years. So whether you are just preparing for the week ahead or a whole new journey, ask for an ASE certified technician. You'll be glad you did.
When the check engine light pops up on your vehicle's display, that means it's time to contact a professional. But who can you trust? ASE certified technicians are the proven professionals who fix it right the first time. ASE certified technicians verify their technical knowledge against the highest standards in the automotive industry. When it comes to maintenance and repair, ask for an ASE certified professional. You'll be glad you did.
You and your family depend on your vehicle, so when your vehicle is involved in an accident, it's important you have confidence in the repair facility and technicians to fix it right the first time. Aside from the cosmetic damage you can see, it is imperative to have an ASE-certified professional thoroughly review underlying damage to systems, sensors, and other areas that may have been affected. The next time your vehicle needs service or repair, ask for an ASE-certified professional. You'll be glad you did.